Hi everybody. Just wanted to show you, for now I'm declaring the Tulsa station, which is on my layout as Elizabeth City, complete for the time being. Sure, the roads and everything will have to be weathered a bit, but I'm trying to move on to some other stuff right now. You'll notice that, and as I walk slowly, the concrete guardrails are on. I put a bunch of vehicles on the bridge and some in the parking area. And we'll go to the other side. I haven't put all the people out yet because I do have to dirty it up, as I mentioned. And I got like a phone booth and some mailboxes and trash cans and stuff like that. But I wanted to get this part done. So I put a lot of the vehicles I've been collecting over the last several months when they've been on sale. But anyway, this is what this side looks like. And we'll stop here and go around to the other side, and I'll show you the lights all lit up on the bridge. Okay, now I'm on the other side, and you can see the bridge guardrails are up. And there's more vehicles here on this side as I slowly walk. I mean, it's kind of a mixture of the newer vehicles I've been able to get and some of the older plastic ones, but it's good enough. It's N scale. Just so you see what's going on here. And then on this side, I have more vehicles, and there's some yellow taxi cabs there. These are resin castings, and you can see I did have the ability to put some decals on some, and I think I got 6 or 8 more of these that I got to paint up and put the decals on. Those are, I made the decals. But anyway, that's kind of where this stands right now. Let me get around this step up so you can see how it looks. And what I'll do now is I'll go around the other side, turn the house lights off, and then put the bridge lights on and the building lights. So here we are, all 6 bridge lights on. I don't know whether this is the west side, east side, or whatever, but there's six lights, and then the building lights are on too. So you can see that. And of course the platform lights are on. And then on this side, I have another six lights that are on, and the building lights. So, but anyway, this project took a little longer than I wanted to. If you remember in the last video, the concrete railings had what I call brim on them, so I could print them vertical. And when I was trying to trim it off with an X-Acto knife, I about cut my thumb off. So it took a few days for the sensitivity to wear down, which took me a while. So, but anyway, they're glued down with Eileen's tacky glue, so they were held in place pretty much while they're drying. But anyway, I'm pretty pleased with this, and so anyway, it took about 2 months, if you recall, from when I started this, or maybe a little longer, at least, to get all the lighting done on this. So it's rather a big chore to do that. So the next thing I want to do is I got to move all the trains back to the to this lower staging area, the staging yard B, and then I'll show you what I'm doing on the next phase of things. I want to start doing a little bit more scenery. So, but anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.